Hello, I'm just doing another video of me. I'm just setting up a real life Angry Bird game. So here it is. This is where the pig is. As you can see, it says pig and then an arrow to these, but really the pig is there. And then over here is the two Angry Birds and their launcher. So I'm just going to put it here. Okay, so here's the first one. Almost. I'm not even close. Yeah, so I'm going to try that. This one's going to be a hard one. And not even close. No. So let's get it. Oh, that one is probably my closest. Oh, I hit him. But he didn't come down. Yeah. I'm going to drink a poo. No, this is going to be too powerful for me.